I'm John with the Fraser Valley Conservancy. Getting inspiration with a native plant garden is as easy as visiting a forest. So the Pacific bleeding heart grows in shady locations, kind of inside woodlands, on the edge of woodlands like this, where it's quite shady. It has a spreading growth habit. It tends to self-seed. So if you plant it in your garden, it'll fill the area very nicely. These pink heart-shaped flowers in the early spring, and they go until about June usually. They're a great food source for pollinators such as bees, moths, and butterflies. Here we have a classic West Coast shade plant, the sword fern. If you're going to plant the sword fern in your home garden, you want to find a nice shady location. They do tolerate a little bit of light, unlike other fern species, but they do prefer quite a bit of shade. The area should be fairly moist as well, although sword ferns in particular can tolerate a little bit more dry conditions. The sword ferns add complexity to the forest floor and can provide some habitat for wildlife. So sword ferns grow fairly big. They get to be about 1 meter wide. This one here is a pretty good example of a sword fern, the size they get. They do spread, and they will take over a space nicely. Here amongst the bleeding heart we have the vanilla leaf. It's a deep woods plant that you find growing in these extra shady locations. It acts as a ground cover and will quickly fill a space. Because this plant loves shade so much, it'll grow really well in places where your traditional sunny-loving perennials are having trouble. We can't see them yet, but in the summer, puffy white flowers will be great food for pollinators. Vanilla leaf is a great shady ground cover.